This 2025 Forest River Rockwood Freedom 2280 FT is a pop-up RV. It is located in Taylor, Michigan, 48180 and is offered for sale by Vickers Trailer Sales. Click the link in the video description to see more photos as well as the current price. This new Forest River is 20 feet 5 inches in length and features sleeps 7, leveling jacks, water heater, carbon monoxide detector, spare tire kit, refrigerator, smoke detector, LP detector, awning, air conditioning. The unloaded weight of this 2025 Forest River Rockwood Freedom 2280 FT is 2,498 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to Vickers Trailer Sales.